So what?
My brothers are not here today.
Why? Where are they?
And school.
In school.
And we are going to the park today.
We're going to the park today.
Come on with us.
Come with us. Pwede na mag-vlog. Come on and join with us. Come with us. Ulitin nga natin. Sige nga, sige nga. One more time. Hi guys! Repeat it again. Repeat na nga again pa. Hi guys, look at the camera.
Lion.
Lakas kasi.
Don't forget to like and let's go.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Okay, go. Sabihin mo yung ano mo.
My kids are not here.
Ano my kids?
My brothers.
My brothers are not here today.
Yes, and then? And what?
Mommy, don't copy me.
I'm just asking you, ano yung speech mo? Today, my brothers are not here today. So,
I said that already.
oh, you say it again.
Today, my brothers not here today.
Where are they?
And to go.
At school. So,
And which one?
wala na dito. Nakalimutan na agad
Which
yung...
one that you said?
You will say, mommy and daddy. Yan.
Go to the park.
And,
And which one?
come join us.
And come join.
Come join us. Ganyan.
Come join us.
Pwede na. Pwede, ikaw nga di kaya mo yung speech niya, de?
Come join us.
Hindi, yung ano, my kids are not here today. Kaya mo
My kids are not here today. Come join us. We're going at the park.
See? Daddy is really good. He knows how to say it. Ano? What? Pero magaling siya. Yung umpisa. Hindi ko tinuruan yan din, yung umpisa. Nakakatuwa eh. Na-invento niya yung mga sasabihin niya. Ayun na nga mga ate at kuya. Wala yung tatlong anak ko. Nasa school lahat sila. Whole day na sila. From 8:40 to 3 o'clock sila sa school. Si Aaron kanina may pasok siya sa school. MWF may pasok siya ng 9 o'clock to 11:30. Tapos na siya sa school niya. Naiinip sa bahay. Wala siyang makalaro. Syempre hanggang mamaya pang alas 3 eh. Sabi namin ng daddy, dadalhin muna namin siya. Igagala muna namin siya sa park. Ayun, samahan niyo kami. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon, dad?
Kahit saan?
Kahit saan lang.
Hmm.
Kahit saan lang daw. Dadaling kami ni daddy kahit saan. Ano?
Tayo ng mapupuntahan. Sa maraming tanawin.
Oh.
Tanawin.
Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy si Aaron. Kasi kanina ang gusto niya, maglakad lang kami. Wag daw kami sumakay. So ayun, see you later. Hanggang samahan niyo kami maghanap ng aming mapupuntahan sa kung saan man. Ano. Grabe.
We're here. And then we're gonna walk over here.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, ang nice. Ang ganda naman dito. Ang baba ng ulap, oh. Nalapit lang nito sa atin, hindi natin pinupuntahan.
We can go there in the break.
Niwan niyo ako ha. But you name it there.
You're just walking around.
Okay, around. Okay. Parang sobrang peaceful. Parang ang sarap mag-picnic, no? Dali natin mga ibang mga bata dito. Picnic tayo. Kapag
Said that.
habad ng picnic tayo. Let's bring Jacob, Aaron, IJ, Abram, and Kuya Dam here, okay?
Okay.
They're gonna love it here.
Let's throw them in the ground. Water them. Water.
Daddy, where we are, Daddy? Show it to him, Daddy.
There we are. Daddy.
Here.
Kunti pa lang yung nilalakad natin. Pagod ka na? Ano?
Wow.
What?
My drop purple.
Don't bother me. I might Dati, sige, cellphone ko to, sige.
Marami lang nag-flipping dito.
Yeah.
Pero ang tatandaan ko lang
Go.
yung 6th day ni Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Let me go.
Lahat yun, Vancouver.
Go.
Yung 6th day, yung clean siya eh, yun yung story nun.
Hindi ko maalala yun. Dito mismo sa dam?
Daddy.
Eh.
Daddy.
Nahulog yung sasakyan niya dito.
Daddy.
What?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Isa
You
hungry
better
na.
hold it.
Isa hungry na. Ano pa? Kung marami o isa lang nasabi mo. Ano pa din? Bigyan mo sila ng trivia, Daddy. Ay, ilan yung madami, Daddy? Ano ba to? Gutom na naman daw siya, oh.
He's hungry.
He's hungry, oh. Look, yeah, Aaron, look.
The dog.
Won't we find you, Daddy?
Let's walk over there.
Sabi mo sa kanya, de. Sabi mo sa kanya, de, nakakatin natin yun, de.
Yeah, the ice cream store is over there. On top. We will climb that uphill.
Can you go up there? Ha? Oh, para lang sa ice cream mo, payag siya.
Maybe over there.
Oh, here. Come on, let's try it here. Where are? Sana daw tayo?
Okay, not far. Dito tayo. You are here.
Right here.
Ito ginaganyan, balak mong kunin.
Ganda eh.
Balak mong kunin. Inuuga mo. Ang ganda yun, no? Ano ang tawag sa ganitong ano? Ah, oh, tumitingin pa sa ulo. Oh, opo. Iuwi. Saan mo na ilalagay yan?
Turo ko sa dibdib mo, sa ulo mo. Oh, para pag tinitingnan ka, nakikita ko.
Awa ka sa mamo. I hate you. Next time, Daddy, balik tayo dito. Yung tayong dalawa lang. Yung tipong patakip siling na. Pwede ba? Maglakad tayo dito. Hayaan natin, kalimutan natin ang problema sa mundo. Payag akong gawin man lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa akin, Daddy. Tago mo lang ako sa likod ng puno, papayag na ako.
Pwede kita i-bound sa ilalim ng puno.
Bakit ba? On! Hindi yan! Eh, bahala ka talaga sa akin, ha? Come on na! Aaron wants to eat na, Daddy. He said he's hungry. Are you hungry na?
Yeah.
Lagi naman eh.
Daddy.
Do you want to sit?
No.
I promise you, I'll buy you food.
Ayaw mo po? Bakit, Daddy?
Buy
Why?
him ice cream.
Oh, he wants ice cream?
Yeah.
Can I buy you ice cream too?
What?
I'll buy you ice cream.
You want me to buy ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Stop. Alam ko na naman.
Daddy, what's the
Tumigil ka.
code?
then I put ice cream for you.
Tumigil ka. Daddy, stop na. Kahalayan na naman na sasabihin. Tumigil ka na. Alis ka na. Pakainin mo na yan. Ice cream, ice cream.
Daddy, buy ice cream here.
Daddy, are we going home?
No, I'm gonna buy ice cream.
Ice cream, not home.
I thought we're going home, Daddy.
You thought?
Yeah.
I thought it's a butterfly and said your cell phone. Thought.
Ito. Daddy, I thought we're going home. I want to rest, Daddy. Can we go home na?
We buy ice cream first. And then we go home, okay?
Ang iswal niya. Ang iswal niya, grabe, oh. Oh, why are you smiling like that? You're happy? Huh?
That's it.
You're not happy? Oh, kunwari. Whoop. Pinipigilan niya yung tawa niya pero lumalabas yung ngipin niya. Oh, sige, we will go to ice cream shop for my son because he's behaved, Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell Jacob then we went to the.
Ayan ka na naman, magpapaiyak ka na naman eh. Don't tell it to him.
Okay.
I will be the one who say it para hindi ka ang aawayin kasi ikaw ang aawayin eh. Ako na lang magkukwento muna, ha? Huwag ka mag-una-una. Kasi natin si Jacob, ihahanda natin, ha? We will prepare him so he will not cry, okay? Sagot!
Apo.
Ang bebe, ayaw maglakad ang bebe. Ayaw maglakad ang bebe. Yay, ice cream! Green? No, you're not gonna like that. You want the bubble gum? In a cup.
Yeah.
I bought you chocolate. Look. I have lots of chocolate. 347. Sarap. Hindi naman inubos ang ice cream niya. Come here.
So scary.
Bivang, come here, Aaron. Aaron, I'll show you. Ay, putoy. Ata. Ay! Yeah. Here, come here, come here. I'll show you. I'll show you something. I'll show you something. Come here. Come here. Come. Ito dali nakakatakot nyo.
Ready to party. Are you?
What is it? Are you scared?
I'm just checking.
You're just checking, Daddy.
Bagay sa akin, ganyan na ganyan, magiging ganyan sa akin.
Gusto niya yung t-shirt na yan. Excuse me, Daddy.
Ay, naku.
Laki ng muscle mo. Sana binili mo na. Ayun na nga mga ate at kuya, nakapag-ice cream na si Alon. Nakapag-ice cream na siya. Tawa-tawa siya, oh. Susunduin na natin yung dalawang bugoy. Sana magdumaldal to. Maiiyak na naman kasi mamaya pag dinaldal na naman itong isang to. Paka ano nito, bida-bida eh. So, ayan. Puntahan natin.
Okay. Mommy! Okay, this is the bag.
Oh, chuchu bag. Good bag. Good job. How are you?
Who are you?
How are you? Ha?
그래도 혹시나 그냥
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Ayon.
Yeah, I
Go. Inside. Narinig mo yung sigaw niya? Sumigaw ng mami. Oh, you're a happy baby. How's your school? What did you do? Huh? What did you do? Did you write your name? Huh? Oh, daddy, si Miss H. Oh, no. Miss H. Where's Miss H? Huh? You love Miss H? Huh? You love Miss H? Yes, he loves Miss H. Jacob,
Mommy.
this is for me.
Yeah.
You get this for me. Thank you. Go get your bag. So, how's school?
Good.
Hmm?
Good.
Good. Did you finish your lunch?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good boy. Hey! No, Daddy will get mad at you. Sige.
It's an accident.
It's an accident, Daddy. Sabi niya.
Wait.
Nabuksan niya ng ganun.
Accident.
Daddy, look! Jacob gave this to me. He said it's for me. Thank you, Jacob. Jacob, look, Jacob gave it to me, guys.
Before the store.
Huh?
Look at this store, Jacob.
Yan na naman siya. Umpisa-umpisa
We
na.
went to the store. Yeah. Which store?
Buti hindi
Buy
umiyak.
something for me. Mommy, oh. Yeah.
Good job.
Why did you eat in the store?
Aaron, what did I tell you? I told you I will be the one who...
No, we just went at the dam.
What that means?
Tatawa-tawa siya, natatawa siya sa kalokohan niya. Alam niya ano.
Mom, Daddy.
Saturday, sa Saturday. We will go there. Saturday. O, yung ano na.
Saturday?
Ay, ano kay? Asambongero
Still
kay.
gadget day? Still gadget day?
No, not gadget day already. It's a school day. I told you, when it's school day, no gadget, okay? Ang ginawa dati, nanahawakan niya yung mukha niya malamig. Sarap yung bitana niya.
Mommy, gadget day should be
No, sa baby
Sunday,
chair.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
That's a school day. O, sige na, bye-bye na. You say goodbye na.
Bye.
Nandito na yung bugoy, mga bugoy ko. Goodbye.
Dad. Mommy, Dad.
Dad, okay. O, say goodbye, bye na.
Papa.
House.
Ayun, house.
Aaron house. Aaron house. Good job, okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget.
Don't forget to like.
Aaron, don't tell Jacob that you eat, ano ha, that you eat ice cream, okay? I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Don't tell to Jacob that we went at the dam.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I will get ice cream. We have ice cream.
Dam is a good park.
We have
Nice
ice cream.
Bye,
Okay, bye guys.
guys.
Don't forget to like
Bye,
and
guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
bye. What about you,
I
Abram?
just heard you, Mommy.
I'm just kidding. Bye.
Why did you went there?
Next time we will go there, just the two of us. You and three of us, you, Daddy, and me, okay?
About me.
Oh, you were going to school. I will bring Jacob next time, okay?
I'm gonna be late to school.
Yeah, next time, okay? Daddy, next time we will bring him, okay?
Okay.
We will,
Bring me too.
Mm.
Tomorrow.